Hi guys, I'm here and I'm back with another video. This is all about Vana Data Hero. I know that we have posted already a video about this one. I've posted a step-by-step tutorial on how to participate with the airdrop, but if you don't have it yet, you can still join. You can still create an account through Telegram mini bot. But if you have already an account, this might be a good chance for you because I will show you how you can earn more Vana points. Now let's go to the mini bot. Let's just click the play button. Ayan guys, so I will show you my account now. This is my account and right now I have 17,300 na Vana points. So these are just the tasks guys that I did. Eto, makikita nyo naman dito guys. So, click nyo lang yan. Ayan, makikita nyo slide nyo lang. Yan, so connect Telegram wallet. What else? Add yung testnet wallet, faucet, refer a friend. If you guys have a friend and they sign up using your referral link, you can also get additional 1,000 points each friend that you have referred. Ayan guys, and data labeling just for this one, click natin start. Ayan guys, yung sa data labeling naman guys is that we only need to do is guess the image if it's real or AI generated image, and then we can earn up to 50,000 Vana points. But that hindi lang yan guys, ito pa, new challenges, i-click nyo lang view all para makita nyo lahat ng challenges. Ayan guys, yan makikita nyo dito guys sa data daw challenges, iba-ibang project yan, and each project meron din silang iba-ibang task na pwede natin gawin so that we can earn more tokens. For example, dito lang sa Vana, i-click lang natin kay si Vana. Ayan, makikita nyo lahat ng task na pwede natin gawin. Like this one, I have already completed a few tasks, but yan, meron pa akong remaining na task for Vana airdrop. So I will show you guys. This is just the basics, so let's try to join the official Telegram so that we can earn plus 500 na Vana points. So let's start. Ayan guys, madali lang naman siya actually kasi more on dito lang siya sa Telegram, and then follow yung Twitter accounts nila and other social media accounts. So madali lang talaga siya. Now once we join the official Telegram nila, syempre kailangan natin i-claim para mapunta yung balance na yung points na yan sa total balance natin. Now that we've done with the Telegram, try naman natin si Discord, or try muna natin itong community Telegram nila. So yan, join lang. Oops, I think it's done. Join community Telegram. Oops. Ito kasi is official Telegram na chat group. This one naman is channel where they announce yung mga, pero it's not working. So I'll try the other one. So try natin mag-join sa Discord para makuha natin yung additional na 500 points. Ayan guys. But I will not show you how to do all the tasks kasi merong iba-ibang projects doon, so matatagalan tayo. Try lang natin yung sample na task na pwede natin gawin. Now guys, once you're here in the Discord, syempre kailangan natin i-verify yung account natin para malaman nila na human tayo, we're not bots, we're not robot. Yan, sabi dito guys, click on verify to get started. Yan guys, ayan guys, click lang natin ng emoji yung check, and then click natin yung box, i-check natin yung box, and then complete. Now pwede nating i-click yung verify. Si Discord kasi medyo siya strict guys, kasi kailangan natin i-verify yung account natin to make sure na to signal the group that we're not robots, that we are a real person. Now let's click continue. What else? Yan, continue lang yan guys. Oops, kailangan natin ilagay yung number 5 2 3 2, 3, 6. Ayan guys. Now that we're done and verified na yung account, pwede na yan. Pwede rin kayong mag-chat ng any message, pwede rin hindi. Now that we've done with the Discord, yan, claim na natin yung points natin. So yan guys, ayan, makikita nyo naman nasa total balance na natin siya. And then pag gusto nyo naman gawin yung ibang task sa ibang project, i-click nyo lang yung arrow na to. Yan. So, di ba nakita nyo guys, 2,500 out of 3,000 natapos natin kay Vana. Now naman dito sa DLP Labs, kung makita nyo yan, next project after Vana, ayan, up to 100,500 points ang pwede nating ma-earn. So, tingnan natin ano ba yung mga task dito. Kailangan natin follow. Oops, magaling to guys ha. Get early access to resume data doubt. Dito guys sa DLP Labs, since medyo time consuming yung isang task dito, yung sa pre-mine resume data daw. So what I will do here, I'm just going to do the Twitter task. So i-follow lang natin yung account nila sa Twitter nila. And after that, let's go back to the app. At ayan, syempre i-claim natin. So yan guys, ito lang muna for today. If you guys want to do to earn more points, more Vana, if you guys want to earn more Vana points, you can also do, ayan, sobrang daming project na nandito na pwede nating pagpilian. Yan, ang dami guys. Actually, may ibang project na up to 100,000, may up to, ayan, dito guys sa 6GPT, up to 300,000 na Vana points yung pwede nating maipon. Ayan, sobrang dami. If masipag ka lang, if may extra time ka, so pwede mong gawin para makarami ka ng Vana points. But, yun guys, you can also invite your friends if you want to, invite them. You can also just copy your referral link and send it to your friends, and once they sign up, you can earn additional 1,000 na Vana points. So that's it for today's video guys, and please subscribe to this channel so that we can upload more crypto tutorials, crypto videos with step-by-step tutorials, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye bye.